Hey, what's up YouTube? I'm Chad Drake here. Hey, in this video I'm going to show you how to resurface your old pitted wore out valve seats using a drill and some sandpaper. I can already feel the hateful comments coming on, so bring it on fellas. But for you guys that actually do stuff in your own garage and get work done, this is going to be helpful to you. As you can see, this is a lot cleaner now. It's a nice smooth seat there for that valve to close in on and to keep all those gases controlled in that valve. All right, this is all you need. Get you an old valve, find the center of it, get you a piece of nail or some round stock and weld to the middle of that valve, right on the head of it. Take you some adhesive bag sandpaper, find you something like this piece of pipe here that's got a diameter that's a little bit bigger than the head of the valve. Trace it out on that sandpaper, cut that little piece of sandpaper out, insert it right over your valve like that there, and you are ready to go. Hey, I'm telling you guys, this works so good and it's so fast. I just wanted to show you real time here. I got one that I have not started right here. Got this valve guide partially in. I'm going to hammer it in right now. This is actually a piece of sandpaper I've already used, so I will have to change it out in a minute, but I already used it to cut that one. Do it dry, don't use oil. Do it dry. Look at that, how clean. It's like a new valve seat. I don't know how well you can see it, but this is the one I was just on right here. These I went for further. This one, piece of used sandpaper, got it that far with just what you saw me doing. All right guys, that's going to wrap it up for this video. I hope it was helpful to some of you. Thank you for watching.